Welcome to Zadran Mobile Review Channel. Samsung Galaxy A35 spotted on Geekbench, reveals Exynos 1380 chip and 6GB RAM. The awaited Samsung Galaxy A35 makes a notable appearance on Geekbench, providing a glimpse into its specifications. The device, previously showcased in renders, is set to feature the Exynos 1380 chipset and offer a 6GB RAM option, according to the revealed Geekbench scorecard. The SMA356U model of the Galaxy A35 achieved a score of 697 for a single core and 2332 for multi-core usage. While these results might appear underwhelming compared to another Galaxy A device with the same chipset, it's crucial to note that this could be an early prototype. It is common for the performance of smartphones to improve significantly by the time they officialize, often due to optimizations and other updates made to the software. Although Geekbench doesn't explicitly mention the chipset, the Exynos 1380 is identified through the Season 5 Episode 8835 model number of the motherboard and the processor. According to the document, the Samsung 5G latest mobile will likely house a CPU with 4 2.4 GHz Cortex-A78 and 4 2.0 GHz Cortex-A55 cores, a configuration also found in the Galaxy A54 and the Galaxy M54, F54. While some might consider the chipset's performance relatively moderate for a device in the A5X series, it's undoubtedly a suitable fit for the more budget-friendly Galaxy A35. Samsung's in-house developed SoC might bring notable improvements, especially compared to the phone's predecessor. The Samsung Galaxy A35 from last year features Dimensity 1080, a CPU with only 2 cores dedicated to performance. As the Galaxy A35 progresses toward its official debut, Geekbench confirms a high-end SoC, which could enhance its overall performance and user experience. Stay tuned for further updates as the launch approaches. Don't forget like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching Zadran Mobile.